Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in this session we'll discuss about content marketing. What content marketing is all about, how content marketing works, what are the various benefits of content marketing, so on and so forth. Now let's get started with it. What is content marketing? Content marketing is a new marketing technique used to create and publish valuable beneficial content for the users with an objective of promoting the business. The business has an objective, the company has an objective. Now what is the objective? It is to promote the business. To promote the business, the companies and organizations publish valuable and beneficial content for the users so that the users can also benefit and the company can also achieve its desired objective. How content marketing actually works? Content is published on the website's blog in the specific niche to the specific areas targeting the specific users. Now, if you have a product or a service or a solution that you actually want to take out into the market and actually help the users benefit from it, you actually publish content related to the kind of product, service or a solution that you are actually marketing. Now when users read that content on various platforms including websites, including blogs, including social media, the users basically read that content, they click on the links and they actually come to the website and read the kind of information that you are providing for the users to benefit from them. Users looking for a specific solution to their problem, the content published will benefit for them. Content can be in the form of text, it could be in form of infographics, it could be in form of podcasts, it could be in form of videos. All these content that we publish on the net, on internet, on the web, on social media is actually for the benefits of the users. Now what are actually the benefits of the content marketing? Content on the web creates awareness. If you have a product that you want to sell, you have to actually create awareness on the product. It could be even a solution, it could be even a service, whichever the industry that you may belong to. The most important thing that you need to remember is you need to create awareness on the kind of services and solutions product that you are marketing on the web, including the websites and the blogs. And this content basically creates awareness on your company and your business. Content allows companies reach out to intended customers. The only and the best possible way to reach out to the intended customer, the specific targeted audience of your niche, of your business is through content only. Content empowers the companies to create brand awareness for their products. Brand awareness, brand identity, brand equity, brand management is basically built around the kind of content that we publish on the web. It is a win-win situation for both the companies and the customers. The customers are looking for solutions to their problems and companies need to provide that solution by actually disseminating high quality information through content marketing. That is, these are basically the few benefits of content marketing. In this section, what we have seen is we have seen content marketing, how content marketing works and the benefits of content marketing. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.